Once all the three Revit files have been loaded into the project, change any one of the files, say LNT EduTech structural Revit files reference type from overlay to attachment in Manage Links window and press OK. Save the project and close Revit. Open Revit. Create a new project with metric construction template. Go to Revit links under project browser. Select Manage Links. Add. Open the location that contains a federated model file. Select it with positioning as Auto Internal Origin to Internal Origin and press Open. We can see that a dialog box with a warning as shown appears. Close it, and the LNT EduTech federated Revit file is now loaded into the project. Adjust the graphics using the View Control toolbar. Under Revit links in project browser, LNT EduTech federated Revit file is available, expanding which LNT EduTech structural Revit is a lone scene because the architectural and MEP nested links have their reference type set to overlay under LNT EduTech federated Revit link instead of attachment, as we saw in the beginning. This means that the architectural and MEP links are not attached to the federated model link, thus not visible, whereas the structural link is attached to the federated model, thus visible. Let us see how to manage links. Path type. Open Revit. Click on Open under Models. We can see there are two folders, Relative and Absolute. Open the Relative folder and select the LNT EduTech federated Revit model to open. Go to Revit links under project browser, select Manage Links, and we can see all the three links loaded with path type as relative taken by default. Change any one of the files, say LNT EduTech structural Revit files path type from relative to absolute, and you can see that the saved path changes. Now, save the project file and close Revit. Create a new folder under Relative folder. And move files from Relative folder to New folder. And try to open LNT EduTech federated Revit model from Recent. It says File not found. Thus, go to Models, Open, select the LNT EduTech federated Revit file from the New folder and give Open. Give Ignore and continue opening the project for the pop-up window. Expand Revit links of project browser. Right-click, open Manage Links window. We can see that the status of LNT EduTech structural Revit link says not found because the path for this link has been changed. Select the file and click on Reload. It says the path is not found. Same happens even if you change the path type to relative and try to reload. Hence, click on Reload from, navigate to the file and press open. Close the window that pops up saying architectural file linked to the structural file and overlay reference type will not be visible as it is not an attachment reference type with the structural file. Now the status of L&T EduTech structural Revit link changed to loaded. Click OK, save the project and close. Let us see how to unload and remove unwanted links using Manage Links options. Here, we can see that all the 3 links have been loaded properly under Revit Links of Project Browser. Select Manage Links, select the L&T EduTech structural Revit link and click on Unload. A pop-up window appears saying we cannot undo or redo actions done after unloading the link, and the link may be reloaded using the Reload button. Give OK to continue and status turns to not loaded. The model loses the elements belonging to L&T EduTech structural Revit link as you can see here. Once again go to Manage Links and select the link, click on Reload and the status turns to loaded, which is reflected in the model. Select the link and click on Remove option. A pop-up window appears saying we cannot undo or redo actions done to restore a link after it has been removed. Give OK to continue and the link is no longer visible as you can see.
We can reload different 3D models using Reload Link options from Manage Links as you can see here. The lintel beam is updated in structure file which was previously not there.